Jenny students, today we are going to learn about birds with the help of this mobile. This mobile has so many different type of birds. Okay, we are identify the new birds and speak their name. On this mobile, so many picture of birds. So first picture of bird is owl. This is a owl, and this is a cock. This is a hen. Next is this is a swan. This is a crow, parrot, and this is a duck. This is a vulture, crane, and coppersmith. This is a coppersmith. Next is dove. This is a dove. Yes, students, this is a pigeon, ostrich, and golden oriole. Next is peacock, eagle, quail. Peacock, eagle, quail. Next is hummingbird. Hummingbird is very small bird. Next is sparrow. Now we are repeat this bird's name again. The first is owl, cock, hen, starling, nightingale, goose, swan, crow, parrot, duck, vulture, crane, and next is pigeon, ostrich, peacock, eagle, quail, hummingbird, and sparrow. I hope you enjoyed this video and learn the bird's name. Thank you.